Welcome to the Pathfinder Pitch Call. My name is Bart Schouw. I'm the VP for Partners and Alliances at Cumulocity. Today's guest is Ben Hulke from Round Solutions. And Ben is all about standardizing the last meter. So Ben, welcome to the call. Why is this so important to you?
This is important because complexity and therefore time is critical to have successful IoT projects. And that's what I would like to talk to you about today. So let me start. Most projects in IoT and industrial IoT, IoT particularly, fail for one reason, and that is it takes quite some time. It takes a long time to deliver value. It's not really always a hardware story. It's about turning sensor information into revenue and doing so fast. So this is what most deployments actually look like. So you have multiple components, multiple vendors, everything is connected, but not really integrated. And this is where projects slow down. So this looks quite structured, you know, the part here on the left-hand side, but every connection is manual work to get it up and running. And every effort, you know, with every device, it will increase the complexity. It takes longer time, and therefore, if we, you know, we might not even achieve a POC because it already stalls before, and this is a huge issue, which you know, will kill or can kill projects. So we have thought about that, and we'll show you how we think we can solve that. And that is that you have a true plug-and-play solution. So you have a sensor, you have, in this case, is the IO gate. It's a industrial wireless gateway, and you have the Cumulocity cloud, and it's all powered with the thin edge configured so that you can instantly see your sensor information. I will show you now a little bit how we have kind of built it up. So we put actually 3 devices into one system. So on the left-hand side, you see an IO-Link master, because we are working with the industrial sensor protocol, IO-Link. We have put a edge gateway into this device. So it's already intelligent on the edge, and of course, together with the Cumulocity intelligence, it enhances that. So you can say that the short-term memory and the logic is in the IO gate, and then let's say the more long-term and structural memory then will be on the Cumulocity side. In addition, there is a cellular router. It could be a 4G, LTE, but we also have the option to do a 5G version. So it's all combined into one compact kind of device. So what you do is that you simply just plug in sensors or a camera, you power on the device, and within minutes, you can see the sensor information on your dashboard in Cumulocity. So how we have done that is that we, as I mentioned before, we're using the IO-Link protocol. And what's really cool with that is that there's no configuration needed. Our device detects immediately what kind of sensor has been connected. It knows which scale. It sends that information immediately into the Cumulocity cloud. We have 4 sensors as a standard, but you can actually extend that up to 32 sensors, but also then you can also add analog sensors. The typical 4 to 20 milliampere is also possible to add we can add a camera, an IP camera to it, and it's also technically possible to connect or use Modbus protocol. So we have that on the roadmap to come. So the IO-Link protocol here makes it really true a plug and play. What really customers are looking for, and this is what we're trying to enable to do it in a very quick, efficient way, is that customers want to, they want to monitor their levels in IBCs. They want to predict refills, and therefore automate their supply chains to be more efficient. Or on the remote monitoring side, it's about monitoring to ensure that there is no downtime, no defect, and so on. So customers are very focused on the outcomes, and we are, let's say, really trying hard to help customers get to these information. So we think with IOGate together with Cumulocity, we have a very smart, scalable choice here for customers, so that customers can scale and deploy out in the field. So thanks very much, Bart, for giving me the opportunity to present this. So I'd like to hand it over back to you.
Yeah, thank you so much. What I get as a feeling is that if people then are facing complexity in their projects, then they feel compelled by this presentation. I think they should get in touch with you or reach out to us through LinkedIn. So very much, Ben, thank you for being on the call and presenting your round solution.
Thank you very much.